Are you having trouble locating the fuse box on your Mercedes-Benz C-Class 2015 to 2019? Wondering which fuse controls what in your car? In this video, we'll break down everything you need to know about the fuse box, its location, fuse diagram, and how to troubleshoot common issues. Stay tuned and let's get started. Engine compartment fuse box. The engine compartment of the Mercedes-Benz C-Class 2015 to 2019 contains the engine control unit's relays and a fuse box located on the right side near the firewall under a cover with diagrams showing fuses for ECU, cooling fan, ABS, and power distribution. The front prefuse box in the Mercedes-Benz C-Class 2015 to 2019 is located in the engine compartment near the battery and contains high amperage fuses, for example 125 ampere to 200 ampere, that supply power to the front SAM, interior fuse boxes, and starter system. Instrument panel fuse box. The instrument panel fuse box in the Mercedes-Benz C-Class 2015 to 2019 is located behind a cover on the driver's side dashboard and contains low amperage fuses, 5 ampere to 30 ampere, for components like the instrument cluster, multimedia system, HVAC controls, and interior electronics. The interior prefuse box in the Mercedes-Benz C-Class 2015 to 2019 is located beneath the underfloor panel and houses high amperage fuses, for example 100 ampere to 150 ampere, that distribute power to the instrument panel fuse box and central electronics. Front passenger footwell fuse box. The front passenger footwell fuse box in the Mercedes-Benz C-Class 2015 to 2019 is located behind a panel under the footwell carpet or trim and contains fuses 5 ampere to 40 ampere for systems like the interior SAM, power seats, airbags, and central locking. Luggage compartment fuse box. The luggage compartment fuse box in the Mercedes-Benz C-Class 2015 to 2019 is located behind the right side trim panel in the trunk and contains fuses 5 ampere to 50 ampere for rear electronics such as tail lights, rear SAM, trailer module, fuel pump, and power sockets.
Type of fuses: blade fuse, standard blade, fuse, mini blade fuse, maxi blade fuse, micro 2 fuse, micro 3 fuse, J-case fuse, glass tube fuse, AGC fuse, SFE fuse, ceramic fuse, Bosch fuse, DIN fuse, PAL fuse, low-profile PAL fuse, standard PAL fuse, link fuse, mega fuse, high amperage link fuse, fuse conditions: blown fuse. A blown fuse means it's no longer functioning and needs replacement, while a perfect fuse is in good working condition and performing as expected. How to change fuses: turn off the vehicle, locate the fuse box, identify the faulty fuse, remove the faulty fuse, inspect and obtain a replacement, install the new fuse, test the replacement. Safety precautions: disconnect the battery, wear protective gear, use proper tools, check for correct amperage, avoid water exposure. If this guide on fuse box location and diagrams is helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.